Got the morning brew and open the car. Shit. Sunday festivities. We ended up coming to try a new coffee spot.
Only your cup says it, mine doesn't.
Where's it at? Oh, right there. New coffee spot called Pops. I don't think it's new. I just think it's new for us.
Yeah, new for us.
But it's around the area where I came to high school, or went to high school in. So, trying something new. Let's see. We're gonna go get chicken sandwiches now from a cool spot that I found. It's like a low-key spot. Have a cozy, relaxing Sunday. And show them what I got you for your birthday that I gave you early.
Oh yeah.
Somebody has been
a very good girl this year.
And entered the Cartier family. So Amber got the Juste Clou ring for her birthday, since it's the big 3-0. Can I say that? That's fine.
Yeah, you can say that.
It's the big 3-0, so she got the Juste Clou ring in the yellow gold. So maybe we'll do more like in-depth of it and just show you it closer and compare it to like mine, so you guys can see like the size differences and why it's
these
better
are like
for
the mommy and daddy versions. Oh, you don't have yours on too.
I don't got mine on right now, but later on when I get mine, I'll show you guys like comparing it like side by side, so you can see the size comparison and just kind of like why maybe this version works better for her than my version would work for her, because hand wise, like hand size wise. But we're gonna go get our lunch. We'll show you our lunch, excuse moi, and continue with the vlog. There's the chicken sandwich.
Right here, ready for this.
Thought you was ready.
I'm ready. And
damn. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, I'm gonna go eat. Alright guys, so I am back to show you guys the unboxing of Amber's new ring. As you guys know, I have the, let me put it like this so you guys can see it. If you haven't already seen some of my previous videos from years back, I am a really big Juste Clou fan, as you guys can probably tell. I have the classic size in the plain yellow gold of the Juste Clou ring. Ended up getting Amber the newer thinned up version, which is a lot smaller, to a little bit more refined in its size and shape, for people who might have thinner hands or just prefer something a little bit smaller and more, I don't think dainty is the right word, but for lack of better terms, like a daintier ring. It's just a lot more subtle, a lot smaller, and for people who do have smaller hands or thinner fingers, this one might be perfect for you, because I know that that has been on a lot of talks. A lot of people say that, you know, for people whose hands aren't maybe as thick as mine, and I don't feel like, for a guy, I don't feel like I have like really big hands, but when I compared it with Amber's hands, and from all the times that she's tried on different sizing, I have seen the difference. So when I show you the one that I ended up getting her for her birthday, you'll see the difference in sizing, and also why it might be a preference for people who do have thinner hands. So jumping into it, it comes in this like white box. So inside will be this little red guy right here. This guy was wrapped up because it was a gift. She didn't know what she was getting. So I'm not gonna play the footage because I feel like that's more intimate stuff, but this was wrapped up with the signature Cartier stamping and everything. Certificate, receipt, I'm gonna put that to the side because this is what we care about. So open it, little flap goes down, this opens up, and there it is. This is the, again, the Juste Clou, the small thinned up version. This is the newest version that they have done for this collection. So pop it out here, put it like this. So as you guys can see, it's just a lot thinner, a lot smaller. I'll get like B-roll of both of them side by side, but just so you guys can see them here, there is a huge difference in terms of sizing. One is clearly thicker than the other one. So the classic Juste Clou plain ring is a lot thicker than the newer guy, but again, it's all about your hand size. So as you guys can see, I don't have a huge hand, but I'm gonna put it on my pinky so you can just kind of get size-wise how it looks. These are like the classic style sizing bracelets. And it's not like a small ring. It's definitely a good pinky ring, but now putting this guy on, you can see size-wise how different it is. But I guess for people who do want to stack, this new version might be great if you want to have like two of them. Like I know that I do want two Juste Clou rings together. I definitely want to get the pave one. I can see why for like my girlfriend whose hands are a lot thinner, why this probably wouldn't be as comfortable or as tasteful on her hand maybe. But it's all, again, preference to each individual person, but I can see why it might not suit her hand sizing as well as it suits mine. But I just want to show you guys what it looks like together. Definitely a super sick ring. And again, definitely for people whose hands are thinner, whose fingers are thinner, and maybe just want something a little bit more subtle and thin. Okay. Price-wise, this one, since I've gotten it, did get a price increase. When this one dropped, I think it dropped right around that time when they did the price increase, so I don't believe that this has gotten a price increase. I believe that it's been pretty much a stable price as of right now, but it's looking like both of them are set to go up. I suggest that you guys, if you are interested, definitely go and try to get them sooner than later, because then obviously it's just going to be more expensive the longer you wait. It's about $1,000 difference, or $1,000 and change difference between the two. I will link both of them in the description box below, so it's easier for you guys to find both of them and decide which one is the best suit for you guys. Juste Clou's are just classic. They're edgy, they're sick, they're dope to just like stack up with different rings and stuff. Like I like to wear mine with my other Cartier rings, or I have like vintage rings like this guy, my chief head. So just fun, it's cool. Very edgy piece, and they're classic, timeless pieces, so I love the look of all the nails. It's very cool. Alright guys, that is going to conclude the Juste Clou review video. Let me know in the comment section below which one you guys feel best suits your style and hand size. Even if you have a thinner hand, would you wear the thicker version, or would you go with the new slimmed up version? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, if you are new to my channel, welcome again. My name is Ariel. I do men's luxury fashion lifestyle content. If you enjoy content like this, definitely crush that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, drop me some comments again, let me know what you guys thought of this vlog. Also, check me out on IG at Ariel.Rosado29 for all my daily fit pics, reels, and just cool style content. See you guys all in the next vlog. Later, guys.